What's up guys, Paul here, and in this video I will show you how you can install and download Blender 5.0, which is the latest version of Blender. Blender is good because it supports Cycles and Eevee render engines, which help you to get the best results. You can create your own 3D assets. Blender is a really great software when it comes to 3D. And the best part is Blender is completely free. They do not charge anything for this software. So in this video I'll basically show you how you can install it for free. So you just have to open a web browser and you can just type blender.org, which is the official website for Blender. And you can see it says the latest version is here. By the time you're watching this video, Blender 5.0 is the latest version available today, but the process for downloading any version is the same. So you just have to go download Blender 5.0, and then you can choose, if you're using Mac, you can choose the Mac option, but right now we are on Windows, so we're just gonna download the Windows one, or you can just press download Blender. That's it. So now you can choose the file path where you want to install your Blender. So I'm just gonna save it here. Now, since Blender is a free software, I would highly suggest you to donate, because why not? It's free. You can do a lot of stuff with Blender. You can also try the monthly subscriptions, which is really helpful for the 3D community, or you can also contribute them one time. Your donation will help Blender improve their tools with time, and that way billions of artists can use it for free, especially 3D students who cannot afford a software. This is a great thing for them, so I would highly suggest you, if you can afford donating Blender, you must do it. Now once you have downloaded the Blender file, you can check it says X64, which is the 64 bitrate. If you're not sure which bitrate you have, you can just go here, you can type system information, and you can open it and you can check that which bit your PC supports. Most of the cases it's 64. You can just look at here, system type, it says X64 based PC. So for some of you who do not have 64, you don't need to download the 64X, you have to get X32-bit. Now you just have to go back to your Blender file, you just have to install it. And once you install it, it shows this welcome message, so you just have to type next, you just have to install it, and it will just take some time because yeah, it does. Now once it is installed, you just have to finish, and you can just close your file browser, whatever where your thing is, and you can just see I have this Blender 5.0 popped up here. I just have to press double tap to open it. And it's just gonna take a lot of time because we just installed it fresh. Oh, look at the cover art. Now what I like to do, because I was using Blender 4.5 before, I would just keep the same preferences because I set it up myself. But you can go ahead and save new preferences. In my case, I'm just gonna press here. Your scenario depends on yourself. I would highly suggest you, if you do not have, or you're just like installing it for the first time, I think this message is not gonna pop up, I'm not sure about it, but you can just go save new preferences. In my case, I'm just gonna press this one, and it's gonna take a lot of time again. I don't know why it takes a lot of time. Once it's done, you will have your Blender viewport, and this is official Blender viewport that is here with the default cube. So you can just delete and create something epic, whatever you want to create. Blender has a lot of benefits. There are like a bunch of tutorials you can watch. Now, at some point, if you're stuck, you're unsure how to install it correctly or whatever, I'm sure you're not gonna have that trouble, but still, if you have, just drop a comment, we will troubleshoot it together. Yeah, and if you find this video helpful, you can share this, you can like this. Thank you for your time. Peace.